A major reshuffle looms in Zimbabwe's security and political establishment as Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF Commander General Philip Valerio Sibanda prepares to step down. A move insiders say would mark the start of his quiet transition from the barracks to the heart of ZANU-PF politics. Sadamira mashoko nyazokuda pachina chinzi Enders General Philip Valerio Sibanda. Sadamira mashoko kuda panguva ine zvinzi aiwa Sibanda uchibva kuma barracks now akuchizoenda kune zvematongero wenyika. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Zim inobuda nyora ichiti General Sibanda's impending retirement, confirmed by multiple military sources, comes at a time of renewed factional tension between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy, Kozandino Chiwenga, and is being viewed as part of Mnangagwa's broader effort to tighten his grip on both the military and the party ahead of the 2028 elections. According to the Mashungumira, preparations for Sibanda's handover of command are already underway at KG6 military headquarters in Harare. The long-serving commander, who has led the ZDF since Chiwenga's elevation to the vice presidency in 2017, is currently on pre-retirement leave and is expected to formally step down by November 23, 2025. A handover takeover ceremony has reportedly been penciled in for November 9, with the process unfolding under Mnangagwa's direct supervision. While ZDF Director of the Public Relations Colonel Charles Mutije dismissed the reports or speculative, Senior Defense Ministry official privately confirmed that Sibanda's departure is imminent. No official communication has been made regarding the matter, and once confirmed, the media will be informed. Mutije said Defense Minister Pamchunguri Kashiri declined to comment. At 71, Sibanda exists, the force with a reputation for professionalism and restraint, qualities that earned him respect even among rivals. However, his relationship with Mnangagwa was recently become more politically charged. Last year, the president controversially appointed Sibanda as an ex-official member of the ZANU-PF Politburo, a move seen as an attempt to draw the military closer to civilian politics and, crucially, to weaken Chiwenga's influence. The appointment, however, triggered public backlash and legal threats. Constitutional lawyer advocate Tavan Mpofu and other observers condemned the decision as unconstitutional under Section 2083 of the Constitution, which bars serving members of the security forces from engaging in partisan politics. Within weeks, Sibanda's name was quietly removed from the Politburo list, a retreat that underscored the growing tension between constitutional limits and Mnangagwa's political maneuvers. Despite the climb down, analysts believe the episode was a test run for Sibanda's post-military future. Mnangagwa was signaling his intention to reposition Sibanda within ZANU-PF as a trusted stabilizer, said a Harare-based political analyst. He wants Sibanda inside the tent, loyal, influential, and able to command respect from the security establishment without threatening his own authority. Ndo mashoko ari kuuya panguva ino achitaura pamusoro aiwa pekuya kuritaya koita Philip Valerio Sibanda ne-suspected subsequent transition yangazoita mu-partisan politics. Pinda comment section medu nzofungura enyu matikudipa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.